Here are 10 amazing home remedies for a glowing skin. Honey. Honey, when taken internally and externally, is excellent for the skin. For a combination to dry skin types, take 1 teaspoon of honey and massage on the skin daily. Leave it on for about 10 minutes and then wash. Pat dry and you will see that not only is your skin softer but also glowing. Make sure you use raw honey both internally and externally in order to reap maximum benefits. Figs. Take 2 figs and mash them. Mix in with a little milk, and gentle rub on the face for 1 to 2 minutes. Wash the face with water and pat dry. The mildly abrasive nature of figs help keep the skin healthy. Use this face pack regularly to reap maximum benefits. Milk. Not only does it softens and nourishes the skin, but also makes it sensuous and helps in detanning. Buy pure skin with full-fat milk twice a day, or just splash a small bowl full of cold milk on your skin and pat dry. This one's a great home remedy for those who have a dry skin. Avocado. The healthy fruit with aphrodisiac properties works wonders for dry skin. Mash an avocado and apply it onto a clean skin, slowly massaging it. Leave it on for a minimum of 15 minutes, before you wash off with milk and then water. Full of healthy fats, vitamins and antioxidants, avocados are great for your skin health. Using avocado oil is also one of the best options to keep your skin healthy. Banana. Mash a ripe banana and massage the skin with the pulp. Banana contains moisture, potassium and vitamins C and E, which are responsible for promoting clear skin. Use a ripe banana as it has more beneficial effects than unripe one. Almond. Whether you are using pure almond oil or almond paste, both are excellent sources of vitamin E, providing nourishment for your skin externally. For dehydrated and dry skin, first massage the face with 1 teaspoon almond oil, and then make a paste of 10 almonds mixed with a little milk and scrub it gently onto the skin. Wash the face with milk and then water. Not only will this help patchy skin, but will give the skin a youthful texture. Olives. Olive is an excellent source of vitamins. Take 3 to 4 mashed olives, and apply it onto the skin and let it dry. Wash off with cold water and pat dry. It will help restore the skin's natural pH. Olive oil is packed with anti-aging antioxidants and hydrating squalene, making it amazing for skin health. Papaya. Take mashed papaya and massage it onto the skin for 5 minutes. Wash the skin with milk and then water, and see how clarified and soft your skin feels in minutes. Thanks to the presence of vitamin A and papain enzyme. It helps remove dead skin cells and inactive proteins, thus rejuvenating your skin. Sugar. Sugar is an excellent skin softener. For best results, mix the grains with either curd or fresh cream, to bring back life to the driest of all skins. Take 1 teaspoon of sugar and mix with 1 teaspoon of malai, and gently massage onto the skin. Leave it on for 10 minutes and then wash with cold water. Sugar scrubs have long been used for their abrasive nature, that helps exfoliate the skin and help it to glow. Aloe vera. Scrape out the gel from the leaf, mash it and massage onto the skin. Let it sit there for 10 minutes, and wash the skin with cold water and pat dry. Your skin will be rejuvenated naturally. Aloe vera soothes your skin, especially in summers, when it faces the sweltering heat. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel if you want more recipes and tips.